Hello everyone, welcome you again. See, last class we saw that actually we ended that Pi is just about to enter the lifeboat. He looking at everybody, I mean everything that is stored in that lifeboat. It was in color of orange. Next, we'll start from this. The words Simsum and Panama were printed on each side of the bow in stark black and Roman capitals. See what is the printed on that life jacket and life boy and whatever other goods are there. There was printed some letters and I did not grasp all this detail. See, he was in very thirst. He was dying of thirst. So, just he don't pay attention on some other things and many more right away. There are many things, but he did not focus. He did not pay attention on that. They came to me, my notice with time, and as a result of necessity, I would be in the direst of dire states. It means very danger. Actually, it would be why it would be very danger if we focus on some other things. When he will get water, so facing a bleak future, when some small thing, some details would transform itself and appear in my mind a new light. Why he want to pay attention on some other things? What he want, just he want to focus on that to take water. Okay, then next, he don't want to pay attention on small things. It was before, but the most important thing in the world, the thing that would save my life, is what the main matter, what the main thing that saved Pi's life. See, this happened time and again. How true it is that necessity is the mother of invention. How very true. See, I'll tell you once again, student, that is very important. That necessity and compulsory, these two words associate with each other. Necessity and compulsory. Okay, that is what here the necessity word is the mother of invention. If you want to explore something, that the necessity will be the first path, the first step to invent something, to know something. So that here he invent water. It invent mean to take water. So why he want to take water? It is a necessity because he's going to die. So that necessity is the mother of invention. Okay, next. And what if the supplies were at the bow means and beneath the tarpaulin? I turned and crawled back. Already he just wanted to get in crawled position. I feel like a dried out lizard. You know what is a lizard? No? Then I felt like a dried out. Dried means this is a position of him. He was totally, he don't have any stamina strength. So he feel like in the crawling moment, he feel like a dried lizard. I pushed down on the tarpaulin. It was tautly stretched. Tautly means it's an angle in a position of sleeping. You know, if I unrolled it, I would give myself access to what supplies might be stored below. But that means creating an opening in onto Richard Parker's den. What does Richard Parker den means here? Richard Parker den means the place he occupied, that is the Richard Parker den. If he want to take water, he just wanted to take his place. Pi wanted to move into his place. So he rolled, he was rolled the tarpaulin sheet so that he can get into lifeboat. There was a lot of goods and supplementary stores were there. There was no question. Thirst pushed me on. See, what was the driving force to get into the lifeboat? Thirst. So, thirst pushed me on. I unrolled it a little. First of all, there was the tiger. Richard Parker was very close to him, even though he makes a little more. Pi was moved a little. Immediately, I was rewarded. The bow was like a stern. It had an end bench, and upon it, just a few inches from the stem, a hasp glittered like a diamond. It was appearance of his appearance of this paragraph contains appearance of the Richard Parker. There was an outline of a lid. My heart began to pound. My heart means when he moved. Actually, in this paragraph, we just want whatever looks looks whatever he out of on his sight, he imagined that it was a tiger. So that I'm telling this is appearance of tiger. But let me tell you in the last there was an outline of a lid. My heart began to pound. Feels weight. I unrolled the tarpaulin further. I peeked under. I peeked under means just hide under. By the way he is rolling the tarpaulin sheet, he just moving towards a little by little. The lid was shaped like a rounded out triangle, 3 feet wide and 2 feet deep, just open way. At that moment, I perceived an orange mass, something he looks like an orange color. In orange color, he looks something. I jerked my head back. Again, he just wanted to give a sight of it. What was his orange? But the orange wasn't moving. He imagined that something is there in the orange color that was a Richard Parker, but he didn't look right. I looked again. It wasn't a tiger. So there was a lid. There was an open day. That was bunches of an orange color. He moved again and walked slowly to look into that thing. It was not if it is moving, then we can imagine that is a tiger. We can say that is a tiger. If it is not moving, he looked again and say it was not tiger. It was a life jacket. That is why it was looking in an orange color. There were a number of life jackets at the back of the Richard Parker's den. Obviously, it is a lifeboat. They could have stored a lot. Then a shiver went through my body. It was almost in the extreme of fear. Between the life jacket, partially as if through some leaves, I had my first unambiguous. Unambiguous means very clear-headed glimpses of Richard Parker. I mean, life. I mean, Pi could see the Richard Parkers. It was his haunches I could see. Haunches means is the the backside. Thin thighs of the backside, buttocks, and thighs of a tiger. I could see him, and part of his back also. Tawny means is a shape, brown shaped. Tawny, stripped, and simply enormous. No, and is a haunches life. I mean, tiger's haunches was tawny, stripped, and simply enormous. It was facing a stern, lying flat on his stomach. He was still, except for the breathing motion of his sides. I blinked in disbelief at how close he was. He was right there, 2 feet beneath. While he moving towards unrolling the tarpaulin sheet, he just get a chance to chance to see tiger very closely, only 2 feet beneath, and beneath me stretching. It was lying down. I could have pinched his bottom. If he thought he could have pinched, he could, but between us there was nothing but a thin tarpaulin easily got around. So he could have do anything, but he did not do. He was extreme in fear. Then, God preserve me, no supplication was ever more passionate, yet more gently carried by the breath. I lay absolutely motionless. I had to have water. He just went into lifeboat only to get water. So I brought my hand down and quietly undid the hasp. Hasp, you can imagine a kind of a latch that used to have it to open. I pulled on the lid in the box. It opened onto a locker. I looked down between my legs. I thought I would faint for a joy. See why he would faint for a joy. He watched something. He got sight into something. The open locker glistened. Glisten means making shine with a shiny new things. Home, the delight of the manufactured good. He saw some other things in the lifeboat. He entered. He saw some things, some goods. The man-made device, a created thing. That moment of material revelation brought an intensity of pleasure, a heady mix of one. By looking all these things, goods in that lifeboat, he had a mixed feeling, that hope, surprise, disbelief, thrill, gratitude, all crushed into one, unequaled in my life by any Christmas, birthday, wedding, Diwali, or other gift giving occasion. I was positively giddy with happiness. Giddy means a fainting, that feel dizzy. By looking, see, he explored into the lifeboat and looked some of the man-made device that was kept a lot of goods. By looking all these goods, he had a mixed feeling of some everything. He never get this kind of happiness even in his Christmas, birthday, wedding, Diwali or something. It was gift giving occasion. Next my eyes immediately fell upon what I was looking for. He didn't even have a conscious that what he was looking, so that he was again looking whether in a bottle or a tin can or carton. Water is unmistakably packaged because it was a lifeboat. On this lifeboat, the wine of life was served a pale golden can that fit nicely in the hand. Drinking water, said the vintage label in a black letters, HP Food Limited. And where the vintner means the people who's giving a wine, that is 500 ml where the contents. There were stacks of these cans, too many to count as a glance. You can see that 5 liters can of drinking water. He saw that. Okay, next. With a shaking hand, I reached down and picked one up. It was cool to the touch and heavy. Then I shook it. The bubble of air inside made the dull glub 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 sound. I was about to be delivered from my hellish thirst. Hellish means he was dying. It was extreme, very severe thirst. My pulse raced at the thought. I only had to open the can. I passed. How could I do that? Why he can't do? He went. He take that drinking water, off liter drinking water. He took a lot and shook it. He heard the sound also, but he couldn't. He had to open. Once it is open, he can drink, but he couldn't do that. Why? I had a can. Surely I had a can opener. I look in the locker. If he had a can, surely he would have can opener also. He looked at the locker. There was a great quantity of things. I rummaged about. He just thinking about carelessly. That is, I was losing. Losing patience, aching expectation had run its fruitful course. I had to drink now. He got the water and just he want to drink water, or I would die. I could not find the desired instrument. Desired instrument means he just wanted to take water. He want the locker also, so he was looking to open the locker where the water is all kept. But there was no time for useless distress. Action was needed. If he thinking about something else, it doesn't matter, or he would die. So that he just there is need action. Action means he just wanted to open. Could I prise it open with my fingernails? I tried. He just wanted to open the can of liter can. He couldn't try it, but couldn't. My teeth. He also tried it. Teeth. It wasn't worth trying. I looked over the gunnel. Gunnel means there is a whale. Whale means not WHALE. It is a whale. WALE. Whale is a side. There is a stick used to kept and tarpaulin hook, short, blunt, and solid. I kneeled on the bench and leaned over. He just trying to open whatever method, whatever angle he can open, but he tried. Holding the can with my hands, I sharply brought it up against the hook. A good dint. I did it again. Another dint next to the first. By dint of dint, he just trying to open. I managed the trick. A pearl of water appeared. I licked it off. He many times, by dint of it, many times he tried so that he could open. He licked it off. I turned the can and banged the opposite side of the top against the hook and make it another hole. I worked like a fiend. Fiend means very cunningly, very seriously. If somebody is in very necessary, it is whatever they can do. I made I made a larger hole. I sat back on the gunnel. Sat back means there is a place, stick where he can sit it. I held the can up to my face. I opened my mouth. I tilt the can. Tilt means it is the angle that used to have water in the position. We take the we. It is a position to have water. Just to take the water into his mouth. After he drank water, look at the feeling. My feelings can perhaps be imagined, but they can hardly to be hardly be described. Maybe some person has been dying of food, and after 10 days if they're eating, we can't say. If you can describe your feeling, that could be imagined, but it is a real one. So that after long time he's having water, drinking water, how he feels, we can see in the next passage the feeling of having water after long time, prolonged time. To the gurgling beat of my greedy throat, pure, delicious, beautiful, crystalline water flowed into my system. System means his body. Liquid life it was. I drained that golden cup to the very last drop. He was just sucking at the last, having lost a drop of water, so that he's having sucking at the hole to catch and remaining moisture. I went, ha, tossed that this is a ha means is feeling expression, tossed the can overboard and got another one. He got the once he take water, he feels harm. And I opened it the way I had the first, and it contents vanished just as quickly. That can be sailed overboard too. And I opened the next one, which shortly also ended up in the ocean. Another can was dispatched. I drank 4 cans, 2 liters of that most exquisite of nectar before I stopped. You might think such a rapid intake of water after prolonged thirst might upset my system. Nonsense. I never felt better in my life. Why feel my brow? My forehead was wet with fresh, clean, and refreshing perspiration. Everything in me, right down to the pores of my skin, was expressing joy. See, after taking the water, he feels relaxed, and he says after the first can, the second and third and four, almost 4 can he finished, 4 half liter, almost he take 2 liters of water here. See, 2 liters of water over. And he also says if somebody have at the moment, one time at same moment, with a 2 liter of water, it will take a body in a system upset, but the 2 liter water only saved his life to live more, to get more energy. Then a sense of well-being quickly overcame me. Well-being means after drinking water he feel relaxed, and his body started he feels fresh. My mouth became moist and soft. First time it was dried. I forgot about the back of my throat. My skin relaxed. So this was a feeling after he had water. See how he expressed, how he wrote that in very easy and simple, and we can imagine a person's conditions after long time he didn't take water. Suddenly he gave water of 2 liter, how he felt, almost imagine that, almost if experienced, his life came back. My joints moved with greater ease, my heart began to beat like a merry drum, and blood started flowing through the veins like a cards from the wedding party, honking their way through town. Strength and suppleness came back to my muscles. My head became clearer. Truly, I was coming back to life from the dead. I was glorious, I'll tell you. To be drunk on alcohol is disgraceful, but to drink on the water is noble, and ecstatic basked in a bliss and plenitude for several minutes. So if you're having if you're having alcohol, it doesn't give a sense of graceful, but it will be, but having water after prolonged thirst, having water, it's there is no word to describe his joy. That is what is there in the paragraph. Next, I had water rations to last me 124 days only. He doesn't have anything. The ration, the food he had after many days, almost the water only gave him life for 124 years. Never had simple arithmetic brought such a smile to my face. It was Richard Parker who calmed me down. Why does Richard Parker, if Richard Parker started roaring, he couldn't have life, he couldn't have water. So he calmed down in one place and also calmed down the pie. Okay, next, it is the irony of this story that the one who scared me witless to start with was very same who brought me peace and purpose. And purpose, I dare say even wholeness. He can't say the wholeness, the feel. First of all, he afraid of the tiger only. After then, he the tiger only gave him life. I had to tame him. Tame means control. I had to tame him. Control means Richard Parker. He had to control Richard Parker. It was at that moment that I realized this necessity. It was not a question of him or me, but of him and me. He says, not question who is saving, who is living, but that is the reason, the very reason. We were literally and figuratively in the same boat. We would live or we would die together. He might be killed in an accident. He might be means the Richard Parker also killed in an accident. What kind of accident could happen in the ocean? See, or he could die shortly of natural causes. Maybe afraid a heavy sound of splashing water, and that is the ocean splashing ocean water and waves, and also shipwreck, but it would be foolish to count on such a eventuality. More likely, the worst would happen. The simple passage of time, simple given time, in which his animal toughness would easily outlast my human frailty. Human cunningness, bad things. Only if I tamed him could I possibly trick him into dying first. If we had to come to that sorry business, okay, he don't want to tame. He could have tamed him, but moved in a soft way. Then, almost we are very close to finish, but there is more to it. I will come clean. His mind has become very clean. I will tell you a secret. Pi is ready to say secret. A part of me was glad about Richard Parker. Richard Parker means the tiger who feels very the that is also a part of me was glad about Richard. Something his mind is very glad. His body, okay, his soul is very glad about Richard Parker. A part of me did not want Richard Parker to die. This part of me means what? Finally, the heart, his mind, both. All because if he died, I would be left alone with despair, right? If he's there, he been escaped in front of Hainam, orangutan, but only because of the Richard Parker, he can go freely, moved a little, because other animals would get afraid of the sight of tiger, so that he could not be the food for the others. A foe, even more formidable. Formidable means very danger than a tiger. See, enemy is very dangerous than a tiger. See, if I still had the will to live, it was thanks to Richard Parker. When he described the story, when Pi described the story, still had energy to only because of the Richard Parker. It gave a way to take water. It gave a hope to live in that ocean. He kept me for thinking too much about my family and my tragic circumstances. He pushed me to go on living. So it was the driving force. The Richard Parker was the driving force to live him along. I hate him for it, yet at the same time I was grateful. It is a contradictory. Once he was hate and also very thankful. It was a plain truth. Without Richard Parker, I wouldn't be alive today to tell you my story. Here the story ends. I left Richard Parker. You can see it in the movie. You know very well. I left Richard Parker in a jungle and waited for the ship. It pained me to see the animal without even turning his head to have the last glimpse. If it is only animal, if it is a human being, say he could say he's silly boy, because it feel a pain to Pi. Once he get the tiger into the forest, he just moves away without looking him. A ship did find me, and I am now reunited with my family. It's a new family he got. Okay, this is what the story ends here. You will write the given assignment. The assignment I'll give you attached. You will copy down in your classwork. Whatever you get into the assignment link, you just copy down in your assignment note. Thank you. And also read all these glossaries. Read. Once again, read and write it in your class, assignment note also. Get ready for the exam also. Thank you, students.